I hope you're having a great day. So my vision board for 2023, it's the first one I've done. I'm excited for it. It's a digital vision board. I'll be printing it out, putting it in a frame. That way I have a constant reminder of my goals that I'm working on for this year. I do have it set on my phone and laptop as a wallpaper. So just wanted to share mine with you, maybe give you some ideas. If you've never done one before and you're looking to do one, I used Canva to kind of put this all together, and I used pictures, words, and phrases to kind of collect my goals and visions for 2023 and things I want to work towards and on. So in big bold print, I put the word focus, my keyword of the year. That's because these are areas that I really want to focus in on, like my fitness. I set a weight goal for myself. I really want to work on my nutrition with becoming more organized and efficient with prepping my meals. That way it'll help me stay on track with eating, the better quality of foods as I'm on my journey here. And then health is wealth is a concept I've thought a lot about recently. Want to dive more into this year with, and I really think that, if you prioritize your health, your nutrition, it really pours into other areas of your life, and you really start to look at things that you can improve on for the quality of your life for yourself and your family and your loved ones. And then that leads me into, financial stuff. So I want to pay off all my personal debt. That way, I could really begin investing in the future of my family and I, building wealth, building generational wealth, really look into, investments like real estate, IRAs, life insurance, starting and growing a business, all those different areas. Like I said, this all really comes back to family, right? So an area I really want to focus in on is the growth of my family and I, our needs, and just kind of where we see ourselves in the future. So last but sure not least, mental awareness. I think it's been something that's been kind of brought up quite a bit recently, and really want to focus in on that, really just making sure that I'm dialing in and putting in time for things that, help me distress, that way we don't become overwhelmed with the life struggles of just the stuff that we're doing, to live day to day, just really prioritizing that, making sure we do the best that we can to just not get overwhelmed with things and find stuff we love to do and hobbies and so forth to kind of decompress from all that. So just a little bit on my vision board. Would love to see if anyone else has done one before, maybe this will help you start yours, but just kind of an insight to mine. Really hope and really feel that this is going to help a lot this year, just having a true direction of where I want to go. So with that, hope you have a great rest of your day.